My company is looking up to you. Yeah.
I hear that the company never had good days until you joined them.
Let's say I don't like taking all this credit. It all belongs to God anyway.
One other good trait you possess, modesty, right?
If it's supposed to be a compliment, thank you very much.
Well, as for this business deal, consider it as one that will draw you closer to a good promotion. A very good promotion.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. We are looking up to 2 weeks, right?
I'm expecting my consignment in a week. So give me a little time to put things together, and after then I'll get you a ring.
Okay. It's okay. I mean, thank you so much. And I hope that this will be the beginning of our business deals together.
Absolutely. I'm not planning to give up a deal with a multinational company as the one you belong to. So thank you very much for bringing the business around.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'll be on my way now. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Asa.
I don't know this company. I've not heard of them either, but I'm excited.
They came highly recommended.
So, what are you expecting?
3 containers.
For 50 million naira.
I am thrilled as well.
Wow, this is amazing. Oswanda, how can we reward you for what you've done and what you're still doing for this company? Promote you every week, every month?
That would be great, madam.
Of course. You deserve more than that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, madam. And thanks for believing in me. I'm just doing my job.
Okay. Can we continue this conversation some other time? I have an appointment with some company by... Yeah, I think it's time. Yeah.
Sure, madam. Let me leave you.
Alright.
I'll see you when you return.
Alright, okay. What happened?
You will get one soon. Very soon.
Osando, we already have clients waiting for these goods. You know that?
I'm aware. And they will get their orders.
Our clients are not the patient type. Especially after they've made deposit for these goods. What is the problem?
No problem. Just late arrival of consignments, man.
Have you spoken with him? When are we expecting them? At least have something to tell our clients.
Madam, I spoke with him earlier. He asked me to come to his office. I was actually on my way when you sent for me.
Okay, then I guess you should be on your way by now. But please, bring back a positive response, okay? I'm counting on that. Don't disappoint me.
I will.
Okay.
I'll be on my way.
Alright.
Thank you. How can the office be locked? Hey! Hey! How can the office be locked? Huh? Huh? Hello? Look what I have. Jesus. Hey!
You're not making any sense. What are you talking about?
Well, everything will soon fall in place and then you get a good response.
Have you spoken to him? I thought you told me this guy asked you to come to his office, right? Look, you know I hate silence when I should be spoken to.
No, man. He did not ask me to come to his office because I did not speak with him. I tried reaching him on the phone, but I couldn't. So on my own, I had to go to his office. But when I got there, the office complex was locked up from the outside.
And?
I couldn't go inside.
Look, Orphan, deal with this, okay? I don't know these suppliers. You do. So I can't possibly do anything from here. Look, I don't know what you're going to do, but just go do something, call them, find out, whatever. But please, I give you 3 days. 3 days to bring back a positive response. Okay, I am tired. I don't know what I'm going to tell our clients. I've run out of ideas. I don't know what to say anymore. Please.
Alright.
By the way, let me have their website. Give me their website, let me browse them. I mean, I should have even browsed them, checked them out even before signing out the 15 million contract.
Ma'am, they don't have a website.
What? What are you talking about? Son, how could you? Companies that have websites mess people up and you're comfortable to give this to one that has none? Look, please. I don't know, just go and deal with this. I don't know how you're going to do it, but just go and deal with this, okay?
I will, please.
Yeah.
I will.
You worked for that company for years. And from the little knowledge I have, you gave in your best. They trusted you.
And I betrayed them at the end.
You mean you actually duped them of the 50 million naira?
You did not, did you?
Of course I did. Brother, at least you should have known I can't and I couldn't have done that. Amadioha, knows I won't do that. I only did business with that man, and that was it. The money just went aloof.
Well, people barely trust themselves, let alone trusting another person. I am not surprised if your boss did not trust you.
What concerns me now is what follows. Because from the look of things, you obviously had a prison break. And I'm worried that the police will soon trace you down to this place. Maybe we always will go and have a feel of what police cell looks like.
And if just only if it may comfort you, brother, I never had a prison break. I was released from the police force legitimately. Legitimately.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about this. But one thing is for sure. The innocent will surely be vindicated. I swear to God, I'm still disappointed for any reason why I should be lured and be scammed as be into a cheap charm. Uncle, 50 million naira scam is not a cheap one. Ibuka, I've been on that business for complete 8 years. 8 good years. I don't see any reason on earth why I should fall for that scam. And no wonder my boss never believed in me. She trusted me, my intelligence, my smartness, and now, look at me. Uncle, calm down, relax. It's not your fault. Those people use diabolic powers on their victims. Yes. Once you respond to their first question, they use charm on some people. So it's not your fault. Yes. But that's by the way. Now that you're here, what are your plans? What possible plans can I have with that money? My bank account was frozen. Ibuka, you won't believe the only thing they gave me to return to this village was my bus fare. Nothing. No plans.
That should be okay for you, right?
Uncle, I'm short of words. I don't even know what to say. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Thank you very, very much.
It's okay. At least this one will sustain you.
Huh? It will sustain me forever. Yes, it will sustain me forever.
Forever? Huh?
Yes, so.
Yeah, come on. There are people that actually spend this kind of money in one day.
Uncle, you said there are people. I'm not them. My name is Ebuka, and this money I will use it well.
Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. There's no need to thank me too much anyway. Let's just say this is to return your father's favor in my life. What I need you to do is open an account. Once you open an account, send that account number to me. I need the rest.
Right.
Okay?
Uncle, thank you very much. God bless you for me. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it.
Come on, we can get
Thank you very much.
Your father did more. If not for your father, I won't be who I am today. I believe that. Anyway, see you.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Thank you. Uncle, with all due respect, you know the money you gave me the last time to solve my problem. I actually didn't use the money to solve my problem. I started a business with it. What kind of business can you possibly start with such little amount? Well, I started a wood business. Yes, I buy woods, break them into pieces, and now sell them. And my wanko. Ebuka, that money I gave to you actually was just a token. It wasn't for any reason, you know? So, but what can you possibly gain from this, your new business that you're talking about? Uncle, the point is this. With your current situation, I don't want you to stay idle. So with all due respect, I'm pleading. If you can partner with me in my wood business, while you figure out what to do. That's my point. Don't give my laugh. Partner with you. Partner with you. What's funny? It will make the business easier for me. It's okay.
Well, it is not too early for you to think of what to do. In fact, it is good that you have decided to move on with your life.
Exactly. I need to get busy in order to forget the past.
Yes. But I'm aware that your company froze your account. How do you intend to finance the business?
Well, the universe has made a provision.
That's a very good news. How did it happen?
Who is the universe?
The universe is God. Now, tell me, how did it happen? Hey.
Ebuka has asked me to be his partner in business.
What kind of stupid business is that? Huh? Firewood cutting and selling. Is that what you call business?
But at least it's better than doing nothing.
I need to understand something here. Did the torture you received from the police, did you remove your senses?
That's not a good way to talk to your brother.
Yes, he's my brother and not yours. I can talk to him the way I want.
Brother, I know the business is not befitting to me considering my former status. But at least...
You have just helped me out. But the business is not befitting. So you are not expected to think about it again. Not to talk of doing it.
Brother, I think I need to go to bed now. Good night.
Okay. I hope that his silence means that he understood my point.
It would have, if you had given him another business idea.
These are all yours now. Yes, until I sell them off to the final consumers. How does it work? It's simple. I buy the woods, break them into pieces, and sell to the final consumers. How do you intend to make profit from all this kind of business? Well, there is profit in it. Sometimes high, sometimes low, sometimes moderate. Trust me, it's a good business. It's better than staying idle. So, how do I come in? I mean, what part do I get to play? We have two major parts in this business. One is splitting the woods into pieces. Second is supplying them to the final consumers. So you choose one when we're in business.
Love and money, anywhere money enter, love go follow am. If money waka, love must follow am go. I need you na money, I love you na money. Without the cash there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money.
Are we in agreement with this?
Do we need agreement for this, brother? Huh? Do we?
Look, I am not talking about what you have decided to do with your life, but bringing it into this compound.
This is what I've agreed to do by myself to survive, because it is obvious there's nothing you can actually offer me to benefit my life this time. So allow me to face this one, please.
Ebuka, it's your master, isn't it? Why don't you work at his house? Why bring it here? My brother, don't you feel insulted? Why stooping so low? That boy is as young as being your king brother.
Brother, you can see that it's obvious all your insults cannot get me anywhere. As I'm cutting this wood, they've already paid for it and the buyers are waiting. So listening to you is a total waste of time. Now,
I am looking after you because I am your only living brother. Eh?
a living insult, that's what you are to me now. Leave me alone.
That's all you know how to do. What else do you know how to do? Come on, make one time. Only brother. Only brother.
Love and money, now brother and sister. Anytime you see them, they must go together. Anywhere money enter.
Ebuka!
Good afternoon.
Ebuka, have I been too lenient with you? Eh? I was in the kitchen, Mary. Have I been too lenient with you? Huh?
What are you talking about?
Ebuka, is it true that you are associating with that cursed brother of Oko, or is it a rumor? What is it?
If you are talking about Uncle Osondo, yes. Cost man, no.
Chelo, Ebuka. Ebuka, Bachalayago. Now listen. Listen very well because I will be very brief.
Okay.
I allowed you to continue with that firewood business of yours so that you will get a sense of responsibility. But I will not allow you to do business with a cursed man to contaminate my family. Meme!
Uncle, why is it affecting you? Why is it eating you up? You are calling him a cursed man. To you, he's a cursed man. To me, he's a blessing. It's not your business who I associate with.
Ebuka, how dare you?
Yes!
How dare you? How dare you talk back at me?
I'm not done. And as for contaminating your family, don't worry about that. Because I'm not a member of your family.
Ebuka, I'm talking and you're talking.
Listen, Uncle, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I know you don't like me, fine, but leave me alone. Must you torment me? Must you interfere in my affair? Leave me alone. Customer. In case you don't know, it was Uncle Osondo that gave me the money I used in starting this business. Now you are telling me not to associate with him, that he is a customer. Just for... Let me be. Let me be.
Chelo, Ebuka, so it has gotten to the point of you talking and walking out on me. You can take back to Ha!
Okay.
Why is it that each time I try to suppress this boy, Ebuka, he still comes out stronger?
Papa, why is this Ebuka issue disturbing you? I don't really understand what is going on.
Now it is obvious to me that neighbor told him, man. You will go like Papa. John.
What is the problem?
Draw Papa now.
No, I think I saw him before I asked him.
Okay. Yeah, the problem is that Papa saw Ebuka working with Osondo. One of my problem, Bona, I don't really understand why that thing should be disturbing Papa.
Wait. So, Ebuka now work with Osondo. So this is the reason why I saw both of them yesterday doing that firewood business together. Hey!
Obviously he does not. Now I know that I, the lion, have begotten a sheep for a son. Eba told him, man. Listen. Papa left Ebuka to do that firewood business because he knows that that business must break him down someday. But now that he has a helper or company or collabo, he might become successful from that business.
That will never happen. It will never happen. I will not allow it. Papa, Azoka, I am not in support of this.
Come on, Meche.
I'm not in support of this. This guy just lost his father and everything that he had.
Papa, support. Yeah, it's just to say back or get out from here.
Listen. If you don't have anything meaningful to contribute to this discussion, just get out from here.
Papa, more support.
Yeah,
something. Can I evolve something?
Can check on that. Something will come up.
Is it not a useless life that he's living? My only brother.
Honestly, I don't like what his life has turned into. But all the same, we need to give him our maximum support.
What nonsense support are you talking about? That I should support my educated brother to live like this?
Do you think he's comfortable the way he is? You think he likes it? Or it hurts you more than him? Come on. Be a little sensitive.
What do you mean? Being sensitive? I should not tell him the truth?
What you call the truth and the way you go about it is not doing him any good. It's only breaking down. All he needs from us now is love and care. Let us help him heal. I think he's doing this firewood business just for him to take his heart away from his predicament.
If it is easy for you to support your brother, that is educated to cut firewood for a living. It will not be easy for me.
My dad, I understand. All you need is to be nice to him. Maybe close your eyes from what he does with axe and firewood. He is your only brother, remember? If anything happens to him now, you'll be left alone.
Love and money, na brother and sister. Anytime you see them, they must go together. Anywhere money enter, love go follow am. If money waka, love must follow am go. I need you na money, I love you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. Na money. I need you na money. Hey girl. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. Na money. I need you na money. Na kudi. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. I need you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money.
Good afternoon. Hey, Buga, good afternoon. Are you okay? I'm fine. What is this one? The money I made today from those woods. $10,000 for one supply? Business can be extra good sometimes. Then you should put up a smile. You know, as you came in, I was thinking everything went bad. The business has nothing to do with the bad day. My uncle is still a thorn on my flesh. That man has sold everything my late father left. Cars, houses, lands, and embezzled the money. The only thing left is our family house in this village. Now he's coming for it. I mean, for God's sake, Afoka is okay. He has all the money in the world. What again is he looking for? He's just being greedy and wicked at the same time. Should I go and talk to him? No. Uncle, no. Please. I don't want to drag you into this. He will get tired. I'm sure he will get tired someday. Well, it's okay. The most important thing here now is that we have this money and we have more money coming. You sold out and we're going to sell more. It's okay, it's okay. Ibuka, I said it's okay. You encouraged me. You encouraged me. I can never believe that one supply could fetch 10,000 naira. Come on. You can do
Excuse me? last time you called me? Joseph, please listen, okay? This is not about you, it's about me. I can't do this anymore, okay? Please, can you be civilized enough and respect my decision? And do not call me again, please. Oh, please, don't give me that look. My friend, you can't just be rude to men like that. But I was not rude to him. I mean, this is the same man I told not to call me again. And he's still calling me. I thought you were going to give him a chance some months ago. What changed? Look, Lucy, my company just lost 50 million naira. Do you actually think this is the best time, or you think a man is my first priority? Please, stop that.
Mr. Jason is a multi-millionaire we're talking about here. And listen, who knows? He might be able to change everything your company has lost. Just give him a chance.
Thank you for your suggestion, but I do not operate like that, okay? I trusted him. I gave him all my trust. Why are human being wicked?
This is about Mr. Osando, right?
I was even willing to make him one of the directors in the company. That's how much I trusted him.
You were? Oh my God. Why were you going to do that? Come, I don't understand. You mean you fell in love with him so much that... Oh my God, I can see you truly fell in love with him. Oh, so sorry, so sorry.
The company has not been the same ever since he left. In fact, sometimes I feel like I'm losing my mind or something. Girlfriend, I feel so helpless. Like right now, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know, I feel totally confused and all that.
Stop. You don't have to keep lamenting like that. Okay? Please. Come on, baby. Put yourself together.
I don't know if I can.
Just be yourself, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Be yourself.
He's ringing.
Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
In my pocket. Wait. I'm coming. Hello?
Yeah, God bless you. Is that Osondu?
Yes, it's awesome.
Yes. This is Pastor Henry. Osondu, I've been trying to call you. I've called you several times and you did not pick my call. Are you there?
I'm here. Why are you calling me? Huh? See, it's not like I don't want to insult you. Please, I beg you. If you still preach that preaching again to me, don't call me again. Please, I beg you, don't ever call me again. Leave me alone.
Osondo, why? I know our last conversation was nice. It was good. Hello? Jesus Christ. Exactly what he did the last time I called him on the phone.
I think it's best we just leave him alone.
Leave him alone?
Yes.
No. Osondu was a devoted member of this church. We cannot leave him alone. More so allow him throw his faith away. No.
The Osondu that I just heard spoke now does not sound as someone that has anything left of his faith.
My dear, this is his troubling moment. We all pass through this moment at a certain time in our lives. And it's not all of us that have the grace to handle it. Brother Sundu needs our prayers. Please, let's not give up on his soul. Please, let us pray for him. Can we pray? Father, in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, we've come this hour. There is a burden in our soul. Daddy, we're bringing this young man, Osundu, before you.
This is the same thing that's happening, you know. The same thing, Neman Kanema. She keeps talking to me about God. The same God that will do everything to make it possible that my life will never be the same again.
Don't talk like that. You don't have to. Hi.
Obi, why are you sounding like this?
Hi.
If that was God, why is my life different? Tell me.
See, for the fact that we are alive is a proof that God loves us. Yes.
You know, God loves us. No wonder my life is upside down. Everything I do is upside down. If God so loved us, why is it everything I do in life does not correspond? If there was God, though, my wife is dead. My children are dead. Up until now, I am back in the village, now Wanko, and you tell me about God. We go.
We cannot blame God. The Bible says that the thought he has for us is thoughts of good and not of evil. See, weeping may endure for the night, but joy cometh in the morning. Please, my dear, relax. Calm down. Remember the case of Job in the Bible.
Weeping may endure in the night, and joy cometh in the morning.
Yes.
How come my own weeping is continuous even now that I've woken up? I'm awake, I'm still weeping. Why am I still weeping? Why can't my own endure? God, only me exist.
It's okay. It's alright. Calm down. Relax.
Love and money, now brother and sister. Anytime you see them, they must go together. Anywhere money enter, love go follow am. If money waka, love must follow am go. I need you now money, I love you now money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you now money.
I said it, I thought as much. This is your plate number. I need this your number.
Hey, Buka, welcome. So you not go about searching for my car, right?
Alright, sorry. So you're in town?
None of your business. And let me educate you. The first thing you do when you meet people who are superior to you is to greet. You greet them.
Jennifer, you're talking to me, Ebuka.
Ebuka, it's okay.
Jenny.
I love you now money, I need you now money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you now money, I love you now money. I need you now money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you now money, I love you now money. I need you now money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you now money.
The words that can happen to a man is for him to lose focus on his creator.
You need to stop worrying too much about Osondo. After all, he is my brother, not yours.
I know, but you hardly talk to him. The only time you talked to him was when you were advising him to quit the firewood business. I spent time with him. I understand what he's going through.
So you now spend time with my brother?
My husband, please don't talk like that. I am trying to make a serious point here. Your brother really needs your help. Can't you see it?
I wish I could help him. Except you are asking me to talk to Nduka, our first son, to take him to the city. But then, Nduka is barely able to take care of himself. And he's still staying with friends. Nedun is still serving his master.
My husband, you are going too far. I am not suggesting that you ask him to go and stay with Nduka in the city. All I want you to do is to bring your brother close to yourself. Show him love and care. I think that is all he needs now.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you are asking me to be my brother's wife?
My husband, what do you mean? What do you mean?
What he needs at this point in time is a wife. Don't you think so?
Jenny, that was so rude and unfair.
Why do you care?
He has done nothing to deserve that, I mean.
Trying to measure up with me is nothing.
Girl, this is Ebuka, oh. Jenny, this is Ebuka. The same Ebuka you were crazy about years back.
Babe, a lot has changed within those few years. Can't you see that?
I know, but that guy is suffering. I mean, he is suffering. Is that a crime?
He is lazy and stupid. Who says that someone has to stop living because he lost his parents? Didn't I lose my parents? Have I stopped living?
You can't compare yourself with him. This guy is suffering. Fine, okay, I heard from the grapevine that his uncle took all the properties, including the estates and everything. Sweetheart, this guy is suffering. At least if we don't have anything for him, we should have pity. Pity.
Maybe he needs to understand that pity is the only thing I have left for him. But the idiot still wants to see me as his girlfriend. What nonsense!
Oh my God!
Babe,
what?
That is not funny. That is not funny. I hate that guy.
Okay.
Uncle, I come in peace. Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about.
You are talking absolute nonsense. What cars? You don't have a motor?
Uncle, I come in peace for now. I come in peace for now. You told me that you sold my late father's cars for his burial. Uncle, I'm tired of those stories. Let me have what my father left.
I can see you are going crazy. Be very careful.
You have gone completely mad. He's mad. And this is where his madness has brought him. No, focus house. Your madness has brought you to my house.
Listen, boys don't talk when men are talking. Look, I am careful.
Wait, who is coaching you?
Uncle, if I don't fight for what my father left, who will fight for me? Let me have what my father left. Simple. I come in peace for now.
Go ahead, coach. Osondo one coach. Enya.
It is since Osondo came back to this village that you, Ebuka Mwambanse, has decided to grow wings and challenge me. Yes. The ant is now challenging the spider, forgetting that spiders feed on ants.
Uncle, you know what? I'm tired of talking. Let me have what my father left, or I will go in here now and move every valuable I lay my hands on.
Lie.
Ebuka, see. You do what? Get out of my compound. I'll kill two of you. I'll kill two of you. Kill.
Baby, you know I love you so much, and I can't do without you.
I love you more.
You know you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Jenny that used to worship me, man calls me names. Poverty is a disease. Uncle, you're not supposed to be here now. You should have sent for me.
I'm here. Ebuka, if you don't make the move, nothing will move. Anyway,
Ugu sent for us, and he says that he has a log for us to break. I'm wondering if you're ready, if you're chanced to go. But if you're not chanced, no problem. You can always go there whenever you're ready.
Please, let's go later. I'm not in the right frame of mind.
No problem. Well, anytime you're ready, Ebuka, just call me. Yeah? I'll see you later, yeah?
Thanks for coming.
Were you trying to make? That we are friends? Well, I'm glad you got the message. The next time I see you this close to me, I won't be this nice. Fine, we dated in the past. That was when you were up to it. Well, it was your parents' money. But things have changed. Try and understand that and move on. Don't ever come close to me again. Idiot.
Love and money, na brother and sister. Anytime you see them, they must go together. Anywhere money enter, love go follow am. If money waka, love must follow am go. I need you na money, I love you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. Na money. I need you na money. Hey girl. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. Na money. I need you na money. Na money. Without the cash, there is no romance.
Well, I'm glad you got the message. The next time I see you this close to me, I won't be this nice. Fine, we dated in the past. That was when you were up to it. Well, it was your parents' money. But things have changed. Try and understand that and move on. Don't ever come close to me again. truth.
I love you now money. I need you now money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you now money. I love you now money. I need you now money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you now money.
I can't take this anymore. I can't continue to live in shame and misery. Look at Jennifer. Someone that used to worship me now sees me as trash because she's dating sugar daddies that gives her money. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I can't die while I'm still breathing. Something has to be done. Enough is enough.
At me, eh? You know what I came here for? You think you can come into my compound and start shouting? Chelo, I'm shouting. Hey, like a lunatic now. Remember. You dare not insult me, don't call me a lunatic. I only say you shout like what? Now let me tell you why I am here. One, that your brother, where? I don't want to see him near my family. You should stay away from my family.
Which family?
How? It is good that you are here. Face to face. Stay away from my nephew. Yes. I just go so. Warn him.
Chalago, it's your Ofoka. You, in my nephew. Do you have a brother in one? Do people like you have a one? Who is your nephew?
You see, you are the one giving him the guts to challenge me. Go on.
Oh wait. Oh, you are talking about Ebuka. Oh, okay, now I understand. If he's challenging you, why don't you give him what belongs to him? Simple. Why are you holding his rights?
Okay. But one day, talk to him. I will not warn him again. I'm just giving you the respect. Warn him.
A heartless man.
I was going to tell you that Isha of Foka is heartless. You said it yourself. Meaning that you know. But whatever it is that you are doing to provoke him, please stop it. Huh?
I should stop it. Brother, if I don't stop it, he will come and beat me, isn't it? He'll beat me. But tell me, but let me tell you, you see that cap on his head is a bunch of suffering. People like that man will continue to suffer forever and ever.
Hey. Let me go and take my seat.
Why is business this slow tonight?
Sometimes business can be like this. I mean, this reminds me that so-called guys are actually with their wives.
Please don't remind me that we have to share them with those fat pigs.
Those fat pigs happen to be the real owners of these guys. Have you forgotten?
I know, but you don't need to remind me. Thank you.
You know, honestly, times like this really reminds me of the fact that those guys are not ours. Jimmy. I am thinking of getting a man of my own. I need to settle down. I mean, have my own kids.
A young man? What have they got to offer apart from their useless manhood? Like that idiot called Ebuka.
Honestly, Ebuka is a nice guy. You don't know that guy. Just that life is just unfair to him.
That is the problem. He wants to mingle with people like me when we are not of the same class. Anyway, I hope he got the message today.
You saw him again?
Well, I don't see people like him. They see me. He saw me and I taught him a very good lesson today.
What did that guy do to you?
Exactly what I should do to a poor boy like him. Please, let's concentrate and wait for our potential clients than talk about some irrelevant people like Ebuka.
Jenny, you need to leave that guy. Leave him alone. Oh!
Waiter!
Uncle, good afternoon. Luca, good afternoon. Everyone? Fine. What's the problem? Are you okay? I guess you forgot that we are supposed to go and see Ugu for the log of wood that he talked about that we're supposed to go and pick for him.
I did not forget. I lost interest.
You did what? You lost interest. Wait, Ebuka. What is this? Organ dear. Ebuka. Did you get into a fight? Huh?
I was fighting for what rightfully belongs to me.
Ebuka, don't tell me that you actually got into a fight with your uncle. Why? What would that benefit you?
That man has been a thorn on my flesh, but that's not the point. The problem here is my girl, Jenny. Uncle Jennifer used to worship me. Jennifer used to adore me. Jennifer used to cherish me. In fact, my happiness was her priority number one when I was a big boy, when my parents were still alive. But now, Uncle, Jennifer treats me like a nobody just because I'm poor. Poverty is a disease.
Yeah, I know, but imagine what you talk about. How can you allow the feelings of a woman to rule you?
How? Uncle, you don't understand. She now drives a car and splashes mud water on me each time she drives past.
Ebuka, how can you allow the feelings of a woman to motivate you? That is destruction. That is total destruction. Anyway, Ugu is waiting for us. Are we going to buy the wood or not? Let's go and buy the wood.
Uncle, how long are we going to continue like this? Breaking, buying and selling woods. Are we going to become rich this way? Come on, I'm tired of this. As a matter of fact, I have been contemplating on what you said. If I don't make a move, nothing will move. Nothing. Nothing. As a matter of fact, you know, Ebuka, I swear to God Almighty, I have been serving God purely. The church is a place I go. The church is like my heart. But guess what? All of a sudden, it's as if everything that has been happening to me in life is an architecture of God Almighty. And I begin to wonder, is there God after all, or is he the one doing this? I don't believe in God anymore. Uncle, I don't want to interfere in your relationship with God. No. But the truth is, this is the right time for me to make a move. I am tired of this state. It's not picking. Are they pick? No, he's a big boy now. Maybe he's very busy. He's always busy. It's not picking. It's not picking. Are you sure this is your guy? Are you close to him? Yes, sir. He grew up here with his parents. We went to the same school. But when they transferred his father to Ghana, they now relocated.
Oh, that means you guys are almost of the same age then?
Yes. Well, he's a big boy now. He has money. He's very big in Ghana. I'm convinced deep down that he can help me.
Oh, this one that is not picking your call. Anyway, no problem. Maybe you call him later now. Like you say, he's busy, right? Anyway, Ebuka, I think it's better for us to go and meet Ugu. And then at least, let's make do for now with the one that's giving us money. Let's buy the wood that he's talking about. At least from there, I ain't fit to go to. Meanwhile.
But we'll stop at Mamaka's place. Let's eat first. I'm hungry.
Osondo, brother, if you think I will leave you like this, then you are confused. I don't like the way you are doing with that boy.
Brother, this is about my firewood business, isn't it? Brother, permit me to ask you one question.
Okay.
What do you expect from me? No, I mean, what can you eventually do for me? Is there anything you can do for me? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I am not talking about what you call work. I have already accepted my fate as the brother of a firewood seller. It is fine. But I don't like the way you are going about with that small boy. It is demeaning.
Demeaning? I mean, what do you mean by demeaning? My hanging out, Ibuka, how is it demeaning?
That boy is like your kid brother. Or even your son.
And so what? What has that got to do with anything? No, since when did it become a crime for me to dine and wine with my own junior brother?
I don't like the way you are doing it. Now, that boy is like the master, and you his boy. You go to his house. Every other day you take a break from your firewood cutting. Nonsense.
Brother, for your information, my going to Ebuka's house does not mean anything insultive. As a matter of fact, Ebuka still respects me as if the same way I was still living when I had money. But the problem I have is actually you. You are the only person in this world that actually gives me heartache. The way you insult me, the way you carry my name about. Brother, let me just tell you, God knows I don't want to insult you. I don't want to insult you, I swear.
What? I was only trying to get close to him the way you advised.
Really? Or push him away further? The only reason he goes to Ebuka all the time is because his only brother sees him as a waste since he lost his job.
Osondo, do you want to continue life like this? Is this the kind of life you want? I keep ignoring my brother's words. But he is right. My life is meaningless. Imagine me, cutting and selling firewood. What future do I have in this? Eh? Osondo, what future do you have in this? Who is that?
It's me. Open the door, please.
I beg, just, I don't want to see anybody. Just go away, I beg, please. Just leave me alone.
Awesome, it's me. Open the door for me.
For God's sake, leave me alone. I said I want to be alone, please. Biko. Biko.
Charlie.
Kofi, my man. Kofi lala, Kofi lala, Kofi lala.
I'm so sorry. It has been a busy day.
I understand. Thanks for calling me back.
Of course. Sure. Anyway, what's up with you? How is Nigeria?
I just did, man. Just there, normal level.
Listen, if a place is not good for you, it is up to you to live there. My father would always say.
Yes, sir. But please, I want to find out. You once told me that if I wish to come to Ghana, that I'm free. Is the slot still open?
Charlie, come on. It is wide and open. The offer is still open. It's up to you. Ebuka, listen. Whenever you are ready to come down to Ghana, just hit my line. Give me a call and I'll make arrangement to get you.
Thank you very much. I'm coming. It's not anytime I'm ready. In fact, my brother, see you soon in Ghana.
Charlie, come on. What you will do? Ebuka, listen, there are a lot of things you can do here in Ghana. Sure. If you can't find one, I will fix you into the line of my own business. Yes, I will fix you in my line of business. Come on, I know you're a very smart guy. You will do very well.
Thank you very much. Dope. Kofi lala!
Ebuka, you will never change. Charlie, come on. Don't worry, I understand.
One love, man, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Well,
he is not just my brother, but equally an equal. But I don't want that to bias my mind.
Funny words like that.
You know you cannot just trust people into this business without testing them.
Kofi, that's true.
Come on, guys. Did any one of you here heard me very well when I said I want to school this guy?
And that should be how many years ago?
It doesn't matter. He was about the smartest in our class, eh?
How does that qualify you for this business?
Everything. You see, Ebuka is smart. He's very smart. That qualifies him in this business. All we need to do is to coach him.
Yeah, indeed, coaching.
Come on, guys. Let's help the brother. That guy is suffering and dying, going through hell over there. It will not cost you and I anything to help him.
Not like we can stop you now that you started the process. Well, I pray.
Thanks to you.
Come on, man, I'm cool. You can bring him in.
Much better. Much better.
Uncle, I have good news. Uncle, I have good news. You know that my friend Kofi? Kofi called me. He asked me to join him in Ghana. Life. Wow. Wait, that's your the one you talked about? Yes, now that's my friend in Ghana now, the big boy now. He called and said I should come over. Life. I'm happy for you. Thank you very much. I mean, that simply means that your life has started again. No. Our lives. Our lives. Our lives. Did he ask you to bring me to Ghana? Uncle, once I'm made, you are made. I can't be rich and watch you suffer. It's not possible. I never see teacher. Ibuka. Let me cheers to this. Let's cheers. Cheers. So, talk of Ghana. What are you going to do about transport? How do you intend to raise the money? Uncle, road though, I don't know. Flight though, I don't know. But I must get to Ghana. You know, I heard about this, they call it a flower.
Where is he? Eh? Where is that idiot? Inside that house. I know who come along also. Eh? Ebuka! Ebuka! Kele! Where is he? Kele bono! Kele nyala! Yeah? Ebuka. Did I not warn you not to go to that farmland near the market? In Abudala? I told you to stay away from that farmland. How dare you flaunt my orders? In Abudala?
Start talking, no Koku. Talk, I know.
Look, it seems I am lenient with you. Ebuka, let me tell you, if you dare set foot on that land again, look, let me tell you, what you received in my house the other day,
when did he even go to that farm? It should be at the middle of the night. When you have okay.
I'm going to go with that one.
You know the body didn't hear Papa.
Yeah, where is he going with the bag? So, look, if anything is missing in this village, I said it that he's associating with cursed people. He is going to try to ruin the image of this family.
We need to leave this place, Papa.
Don't worry. If any person reports that something is missing in this village, I'll look for you. I said, Ango. Are you sure we're not going to check that part?
Well, dude, we are just watching off ourselves.
Yeah, thank you for watching out for me, but he's here already. Okay? I'm not going back. Alright? I wake up to face the reality. And nobody's working. Aha! Where is he? Kede? Where is he? Where is he? Yeah? Kede, where is he? Where did you send my nephew to? Kede, Kede Bono.
Good afternoon.
Hey, Jide Kenegu. Do I look like someone who is here to exchange pleasantries with you? Where have you sent my nephew to?
You have come to ask me.
Yes?
Of his whereabouts.
Yes. Onyeka Majo, you are the one responsible. You are the one confusing him. Telling him what to do and what not to do. Where is he, Kede?
I don't want to insult you. But can you listen to yourself how stupid you sound?
Chelo, Mom was stupid. You're calling me stupid.
I'm not taking that back. You claim to be Ebuka's cousin. Eh? And yet you have come to ask of his whereabouts from an ordinary kinsman like me.
Yeah? I will ask you, but let me warn you. If anything happens to that boy,
Wait, Ofoka. If he did not tell you of where he was going, you know why? Because he does not want you to know.
Ofoka, you surprised me. When Ebuka was around, you and your sons suppressed him. Now that he has left,
Suddenly.
you even took away.
Suddenly.
You even took away all that his parents left for him. Now that he's no longer around, you are now pretending as if you care.
Let me just pretend that I did not hear the rubbish you two are talking about. But let me warn you, if anything happens to Ebuka, hey, you will now know what Ofoka can do.
Shameless man.
Why is he suddenly showing care about you?
Because he's not showing care. He's just frustrated because he does not know of his whereabouts. Onya, maybe.
Well, have you heard from this
Ebuka called me as soon as he landed in Ghana. And I'm sure he is very busy at trying to settle down. What else? Ebuka do okay.
Yeah?
Ebuka do okay.
What? Hi. Oh, I've forgotten I put something on the fire. Let me check. Before I'll be here listening to Ichi or Foka.
Charlie, I can't believe you're watching this phone passive. Come on, get in and get wet.
I don't know how to swim.
So for the fact you don't know how to swim, must you die a sinker?
Kofi, this is not why I'm in Ghana.
You're not happy, right?
I've spent over 1 month here. Is this why you... Come on. I have people at home. They are counting on me.
Money is all you whine about, Charlie. You want to make your money on time.
Bro, this is not why I'm in Ghana. I have people at home.
But they're not expecting you to become millionaire under 1 month.
At least I should be working towards something. I can't just fold my arms and eat, drink, swim.
Alright, okay, I have enough of that. Listen, I brought you to Ghana, okay? So let me do what I promised.
Please, can I at least know your plans?
Not here. We can discuss that here. At least with time I will unveil everything to you. Just chill, okay? But meanwhile, you are looking at the phone. Yeah, back to you, baby. Give me some kiss. Wow! Yeah, that's beautiful. Ifeanyi, how you doing there? I can see you having a good time. Take this.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow, let me see you inside, you know. Listen now, brother. That's my thing. You have a good time, right? Wow. I'll see you again. I'll see you again. It's not right. Come here. Don't worry, I'll see you when I want to see you. That's great. Don't worry, I'll get it done for you, alright? Coffee.
You should have made it clear to them that you will never see them again.
How did you know that?
Come on, Coffee, I'm not a dummy. I've been around for 1 month, and I have never seen you with any girl twice.
That's a smart one, dude. You've been very, very observant.
Now tell me, why do you keep changing girls?
Where do I keep changing girls? Well, I wanted to discuss business with you. But since you've chosen your own line of business discussion, so let's just hit it.
No offense, at the grace. I'm only business the top woman. Please forgive my manners. Let's talk business.
Ebuka, the reason I left you idle this while is because, one, I needed to observe you closely so as to be convinced and be sure that you're ready to hustle. And I needed you to prove to me that you're ready, which was what you did by the pool today. I mean, have you ever imagined why I barely leave this castle?
I can't say for sure, but I've been seeing you with laptops, you and your friends, and it's like, maybe you guys are into blogging, addicted to social media.
So I did. I must have given you a head start then. Being the smart dude that you are, you must have tried to figure out what kind of work do I do from home.
Yeah, because you barely go out and make money.
So you think the money I spent, I make it from blogging? Or you think I built this house and my rented apartment from the money realized from blogging? Come on, do you smart like that? Don't disappoint me.
I'll just try not to be too forward. So now tell me, what do you do for a living?
Anyway, I and my friends are internet millionaire, but we certainly have never tried blogging. You see, this business is very easy and creative, but you have to be computer literate before you can do it. So, are you?
I'm computer literate, that's not a problem.
Good. Beautiful. Then I will get you a laptop, take you to see the prophet to pray for you. From there, you will make your first million. Don't worry, tomorrow we'll start the process. Let me go take a nap. You know, I just walked the 2 girls. I need to go and take my rest. Hey, Ghana! Enjoy Ghana, enjoy Ghana, enjoy Ghana.
I love Ghana.
Yeah, enjoy Ghana. Hey, that is my phone, man. Hello, ladies.
I love Ghana. I love Ghana.
enter. Anywhere money enter, love go follow am. If money waka, love must follow am go. I need you na money, I love you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money.
Hey! Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh my God. Hey! Hey! Are you okay? Come in. Who is that? Are you okay? We heard you scream. I'm okay, I'm okay. Let me in, let me in. The door is open. What was that? I just had a dream. Just a dream.
You mean that just because of a mad dream, you almost screamed down this house?
Is he okay?
You need to find out. Because if it was because of a mad dream that he almost screamed down this house, then something is certainly wrong.
Osundu, are you okay?
I'm fine. Just had a dream, that's all. Just had a dream.
People dream every day.
Actually, I don't.
Osundu, you don't dream?
None that I can remember though.
Or it's because of your forecast threat?
Worried because you've not heard from him for some time now.
Tata, a focus threat is nothing. Ebuka does not know anyone in Ghana. Aside from his classmates that he talked about. I just hope that boy is alright. As a matter of fact, I shouldn't have allowed him to leave, honestly.
Like you could have stopped him?
At least, I could have discouraged him. Huh? Only God knows how he's faring.
Are you thinking he may be dead?
God forbid. God cannot allow that poor orphan to die like that. Banon.
Not like God is unfair enough. I'm a typical example. Sometimes I wonder if God truly exists.
So it is true that you are at loggerhead with God now. You see, Osundu, I am not an ardent Christian. But the way you just spoke about God now is evil. It is not good.
Brother, why bring God into this one? I am simply talking about how Ebuka is faring in Ghana. And about the dreams that I had about him. Why bring God? Eh? Does God even exist? I think I have to be alone, I beg.
That man that just said that is not my brother I knew loves God.
and he's a preacher, right?
You thought I was joking when I told you that he gave up on God. I pray that God doesn't give up on him because he's going to be disastrous.
Hold on now, see the number and I'll call you. We'll never do the transfer. Thank you. Jesus is Lord. I'm rich. I'm made. I'm rich. This is a lifetime changing a lot. I'm made. Hey! It don't happen. It don't happen. I love Ghana, man. I love Ghana. Man, I love Ghana, man.
What? It don't happen. Ebuka, what is it? It don't happen. Ebuka, what is it? It don't happen. Yeah. What happened? It don't happen. Ebuka, Kofi, Annie, Mensa, my mother don't pay. Hold me. If you believe in miracle, let me hear around that millionaire, man. Yes, Ghana is. Yes, Ghana don't pay me. Hey, Charlie, welcome to the club of millionaire. This is the last club.
This is just the beginning, man. Welcome, brother, man.
You have done well. The Almighty loves he who that makes a promise and fulfills it. Go ahead. Give the Almighty what he promised. Lekwe shamarama. Laha shamarama. Lekwe laha shamarama. Somotu. You gave with a clean heart, and the Almighty is pleased with your sacrifice.
May the Almighty be praised.
Go forth, servants of the Almighty. He has promised to replenish your pockets, and is very faithful to his promises. Go forth.
May the Almighty be praised.
Ebuka, but people don't become millionaire in less than 1 year. Once you get home now, people will ask questions. They want to know the source of your wealth. To me, I felt you should stay for like 1 year or 2 before going home.
That means you don't know my people. Yes. Let me tell you what it is. Once you're made in life, once you're successful, people will keep celebrating you and forget the prestigious source of income. So simple like that.
Well, I've stayed in Nigeria. I know how they think.
But even at that, I don't know what it is.
Okay, no problem. But remember, you are not supposed to stay outside the temple in less than 2 months.
You mean I'm not supposed to stay outside Ghana for 2 months?
Yes, we are not supposed to stay outside the temple in less than 2 months. Once in a while, we must go to the temple. Please, when you get to Nigeria, remember that. Okay, I will call my travel agent to book a flight and also make plans for security to get it straight to Nigeria, if you need anyway. It's alright. But I'm not just too down with this, you're going back home. It's alright, brother.
Now, this is the reason I do not want to buy a car. I mean, what is all this? What?
Are you okay? You don't want to buy a car because you fear it might break down on the road?
Sweetheart, I just do not want disappointment in my life. I don't want all this drama. Don't you get it?
I can see what you want is poverty and maybe some sense.
Jenny, you're not insulting me right now, are you?
I'm not insulting you, just stating the fact. Tell me, what sensible girl will prepare to jump taxis instead of driving her own car?
Really? At least exclusive cars. You know what? Fix it.
My boss is calling you.
Who is your boss?
Don't you know my boss? This way.
Get you.
Now, this is the reason I do not want to buy a car. I mean, what is all this? What?
Are you okay? You don't want to buy a car because you fear it might break down on the road?
Sweetheart, I just do not want disappointment in my life. I don't want all this drama. Don't you get it?
I can see what you want is poverty and maybe some sense.
Jenny, you're not insulting me right now, are you?
I'm not insulting you, just stating the fact. Tell me, what sensible girl will prepare to jump taxis instead of driving her own car?
Really? At least exclusive cars. You know what? Fix it yourself.
My boss is calling you.
Who is your boss?
Don't you know my boss? This way.
Get you.
Ebuka! Baby!
I love Ghana. Manadimaka Kochale. I love Ghana. Manadimaka Kochale. Jennifer, why are you looking so unkempt?
Oh, my car broke down on the road. That's why.
You mean you're still using this old, outdated carton? Uh-oh.
You know now, the country is hard.
You say? Never look down on any man
because life is unpredictable. But I haven't said that I don't have time. I love Ghana. Move it. Let's go.
Thank you.
Music, please. I love Ghana, man. I love Ghana.
Ebuka Umo's driving a car?
He is not just driving a car. He has a car. He has a guard. And he has a driver. Jenny, say it the way it is.
That makes it more amazing. Huh? When last did I ever see him like months ago?
Well, I think so. I think, yeah. That was when you said you splashed mud on him or something. What?
Can you forget the past for once?
How can I forget the past? You want to forget the past now because it's ugly, right? Sweetheart, don't even think about him because you're so out of his league right now. So stop crushing.
Who said I'm crushing on him?
You are you not?
Well, money is attractive. Look at how fresh she looks now. Money is attractive. Everyone should have money. Ego!
I know. Especially when it's coming from Ebuka. He gave you the money to fix your car. Can we just go fix your car instead of you gushing over him?
Money is attractive. Everyone should have money. Ebuka now has money. Hey, Kate! Ebuka has money now.
Jenny, concentrate, please.
Ebuka.
So Ebuka is back.
Back in this way? It's not true.
What did he come back as? An army? But that's the only reason he should be shooting gun like this.
Please let me go and see by myself. Quickly.
You will go and get shot. Or is that your next plan of suicide?
Brother, the boy that brought this message is still alive. At least he came here alive to deliver the message. Simply means that Ebuka is not killing people.
My only concern is that I'm concerned about your self-respect. You should not be the one going to him. Ebuka should be the one to come to you. So that's the right thing to do.
It does not matter who comes or who goes to anybody. The issue here is that Ebuka is back. And I am going to see him. Let me quickly clean up myself, wear a t-shirt, and go and see my boy. What?
I told them it was you. Uncle! I told you it was Ebuka. Hey! Uncle, go match on this. Hey, Uncle, Uncle, man. Uncle, I said, Uncle, I told you it was Ebuka. It's Ebuka. Ebuka is back. Uncle, come here. Uncle, can I say?
Is that really Ebuka?
Yes. His face looks like Ebuka. But personality is what I'm trying to figure out.
Must you make everything out of your knowledge of English? Eh? What is face? What is personality?
Look at him very well. Look at him.
And the money you put in this state, Didi. You know what they say?
Come on, Mechegon. There is no way Ebuka. No, Ebuka. It's not possible. How can Ebuka? Do you see the whiteness of this car?
This is the mark of the car. Open if we don't believe.
Ebuka manya umota. Dia mawado. Ebuka manya.
See, over to you.
You know, like I told you, ego is just like Mondays, we are doing you. Only by getting your spirit, your spirit told you that you make passing these, yeah, Mondays, we are doing you. Uncle. Have you seen your uncle? No. The question should be, has he seen me?
He must be thrilled when he sees you. Honestly.
I pray he survives the heart attack.
And I believe he will come, he's going to come around for reconciliation. He needs to.
Then he should be prepared to lick my shoelace.
Hey, come on. Don't be rude. Is that what money has turned you to?
No.
Come on, you cannot talk like that.
Uncle, I'm not being rude, I'm being real.
Show some respect.
Have you forgotten what he did to me? Have you forgotten? Come on. If he's coming back now, the reason is obvious. Money. My money. And trust me, I'm not giving a dime.
It's all yours. Talk about this money. So what's up?
I don't get it. What's up, like?
Don't tell me you're going to hide the secret behind this quick reach from me. Are you?
Uncle, I just got back, so relax. Let's enjoy this money. Look around, ball, then discuss all that later.
Okay. Say so.
Oh, wow. Meanwhile, I'm taking you to a club tonight. We are clubbing tonight.
Me?
Yes.
Club?
You need to shake off all the accumulated stress of the past.
I'll for your handle.
Are you serious?
Me?
Okay.
I'm old school now.
Okay now. Once again, cheers. I love Ghana. I love Ghana.
Who is Charlie?
Ghana.
Chelu. Did you see him for yourself? Or is this hearsay?
Papa, Ifumoto, hey, if you see this car, hey, Ifuba, the same color with the shirt, the same color with this your top.
Hey! And I forget those gas. Even the gas will be, Papa. All those gas were.
Papa, if you see the muzzle of this man Ebuka came back with in this village, Ifumoto onda, Ujo Ekwaram no there.
Chelo. So Ebuka did not just come back with a big car. He came back with dogs and that would be.
Papa, what baffles me is how Ebuka could make it in just short period of time. Yesterday, Ghana nkete.
Ghana Mbosia.
Ghana
of this place. Papa, tatam. If this is true, then I am doomed. Alo Melo. Which do I worry about? That he is now rich and powerful, or the treatment he gave my sons? Because if he treated them that way, then that means he is back to deal with us. Ofoka, what do you do? Wait and watch him ask for his father's legacy? Hey!
Bodike mboso ganya choba dike. Asin bodike mboso ganya choba dike. Kwanglinge de anekile godo tire news. Amu akpaka abamu. Irigi oko. Kwanne.
Don't see me can name. Fucker. He has done nothing to you. Why do you seek his end?
Abaka, since when do we base our dealing on who has offended me and who has not? Onye ncholo akwom yo wunimi. Ibu mo onye ncholo ibu. I eliminate whoever I wish to eliminate. Oboze twice amen.
I see. You are afraid. You are afraid that he might come after you. Even when you are under the protection of the Oracle of Abaka.
Look, Abaka, the Oracle has nothing to do with this. I know the Oracle protects me. Our people have a saying that a man who prepares for the unknown is not a coward.
Asi meji mogu neji mofonaka. Okwa mba alusi ibulu onye na-eni enyi. Ogbo onye mgboti ndu na-ato ya ụtọ kwa nne. You have paid a few dues. So, it is right to grant you your heart desire.
Oh. Odudu ekene ngo. Kene ye na jelugozi. Dalo shinne.
Ona no mmadụ na-anụ. Afoka.
Yeah.
Speak into the bowel. Pour your heart to it. And call the name of the young boy. Break time.
The great Ogbonye bosi ndo na atọ
Alụsị na-egbu onye aka ede ọcha. Grant me this my desire. I wish that you will bring to an ultimate end the life of my nephew. Do this for me, and I will double my sacrifices to you. His name is Ebuka Umozo. Ebuka Umozo. Ebuka Umozo.
Now, strike him with that boom.
Hey! Okay, sir.
What just happened?
I should be the one asking you the question. I was about to strike him dead, and you allowed him to disappear. Nagini Messi. Huh? Abaka. No cosa.
Huh? Why do you want to kill a man that is already dead?
What are you talking about? I heard that he arrived the village this morning, and Chelo, did he arrive and then die? No, I would have heard it. The last I heard of him, he was busy sharing money to our people and entertaining.
Go home. Like I said, the young man is already dead. Go home and see if you can have peace of mind. Even if it's just for one day before you join your ancestors.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go. There is no time.
Monaba.
Go. Go!
I heard from a reliable source that he's dead.
Iyayo. That source is not reliable. Or they're not reliable at all. Ebuka is alive, 100%. Papa, let me tell you, I know that you've not come with terms with Ebuka's wealth, his fortune. But that shouldn't make, even me, I've not, despite that I go there with him and enjoy, I've not come in terms with his wealth too. But that shouldn't make you think of him, thinking of death for him. Does
it mean that Abaka is deceiving me? What reason does he have? I always pay my dues to his oracle. There must be a very good explanation for this. There should be.
Hey, what happened to you yesterday in the club? The way you left the club baffled me.
I'm sorry about that. I felt somehow while I was in the club, so I needed to leave that environment.
At the time, I felt it was because of the presence of those girls.
No. I barely noticed those girls. You know what? I'm sorry for cutting your phone short. I'm sorry you had left the club. In fact, I owe you an apology.
I hear you. As if my life now depends on clubbing, isn't it? My miserable life now depends on clubbing. I beg. Ebuka, can we discuss some meaningful things?
Please. Like
what you promised me now. I mean, what exactly do you do in Ghana? I mean, I need to be connected. Flow me in, or do you like the way I am?
Uncle, you might not like my kind of business. You might not be comfortable with my kind of business.
I guess because I'm too old, isn't it?
Far from that.
Then, what is it?
My kind of business involves a whole lot of risk.
Risk? Confirm my suspicion, is it drugs?
I am not a drug pusher, and I will never be.
Does it involve a human sacrifice?
No.
Then what is it you do I can't know to?
Uncle, you won't understand.
Ebuka, can you just spit it? If you don't want to help me, why don't you just simply say it? I mean, do you like my condition? Or do you think I'm going to wait and die in this condition? Come on, man. In fact, if I should mimic you, you will not understand.
Uncle, I love Ghana. I love Ghana.
Brother Osando, always remember what the Bible said in the book of Deuteronomy chapter 31 verse 8. The Lord said, I will go before you, I will be with you, and neither leave nor forsake you.
What a passage to be read to remind my condition.
Brother Osando, it is ironical, but that is exactly what the Lord is saying concerning you right now.
Pastor, it's obvious that God himself has forsaken me.
God never forsakes his own.
Come on. He does. He does. Because that is exactly what is happening to me now. To have allowed my wife and my children to die just like that. And now, this one again. Pastor, it's as if you don't even know what has happened to me after. You don't. I've lost everything. Practically everything. I am doomed. Tell me, what future do I have in that village that I'm headed to now? No future. So where is God?
Brother Sondo, honestly, I am disappointed in you. How could you utter such words against God? How could you doubt God's powers and supremacy? Or do you want to attract the wrath of God upon your life? Tell me, do you?
The wrath of God. Pastor, let me just tell you this now forever. There is no God.
Jesus, have mercy.
Because if God happens to exist anywhere on earth, he must be a very wicked being. To have allowed people, innocent people like me, to suffer the way I'm suffering.
Brother Osando, please, do not allow your condition to get to you like this. Please.
I will fight this battle of life on my own. And you will see me winning without you. Let's see. Dear God, I don't understand the business that Ebuka talked about though I have a feeling that it is somewhat evil. But even if it's evil, who cares? Who cares? Eh? What have I gained being a good man all this while? I'll go ahead and join him again. I will do the business.
You see, I love Ghana so much, but I don't mind can't question. Your mother shouldn't have bothered herself. Huh?
Please, don't reject this. Because if you do, my mother is going to send me back.
Alright, I won't reject it. It's a gift. Keep it here.
Okay.
My regards to your mom, okay? Are you okay?
Yes. Honestly, you've become so handsome. Money changed people.
Before, Uncle. Mbogori Jim, when I was battling with poverty. But now I'm fresh and soft. Oh, well, sorry. Can you just turn around? Ewo, are you for real? No. If you don't mind though, like, if you don't mind, you can come in for a quick massage.
Of course, I will. I want to.
Each of them. Try. All right, man.
Okay.
I love you now, money. I love you now, money. I need you now, money. Without the cash. flashy, there is no romance.
It's a good thing that you wish to start living again.
It's also good that you guys actually thought I was dead.
But it was true. The moment you stepped into this village, you stopped living.
Please, we are no longer talking about the past, are we? Also, please, tell us more about it.
What is there to be told? In 5 days' time, I'll be off together with Hibuka. Simple.
Did he tell you what you'll be doing when you get there?
Obiageli, stop this insult, please.
What insult?
This man here is my brother and not yours. So allow me ask the question.
Please, I am sorry. I am sorry, please. I almost snatched your brother away from you. Please, do the interrogation.
So, also, what awaits you there?
Brother, I'm tired of these your questions. You see, are you actually interrogating me? Eh? I made it simple. Ebuka is doing business in Ghana, and whatever business Ebuka can do, me or Sunday can as well do it. Simple. Let me even go and start putting my things together. I think by putting my things one by one, that will be okay. Because did I ask the wrong question?
Please.
Jenny, what is your problem?
What don't you understand? I want him back. Now he's gone.
This is funny. I mean, this is very, very funny. You want him now? The same guy you hate.
I never hated him. I only hated the poverty he got infected with.
And now that the poverty is being killed, you want him back like you want to abandon every other man just to be with him.
Why are you this daft kid? Who says I'm abandoning other men? Don't you get it? The more the men, the better.
And Ebuka happens to be part of these guys, right? Or you didn't hear him when he said he doesn't have anything to do with you. Because you made it clear to him that he doesn't want you.
Here she goes again. You keep going back to the past. Anyway, I don't need you to understand what I'm saying. Very soon, I will rekindle the love that Ebuka has shared.
And I hope you have money to get your tickets to that. Because I am so important to this. Interesting trip.
Look at this girl. This girl does not understand that I cannot let Ebuka be with any other girl in this village when I'm his first love. Anyway, I'm here waiting for him. He had better come back quick.
I have not been myself since that night.
Charlie, listen, you will be fine, okay? Thank God you're back. It's good to have you back. Don't worry, we'll go see the prophet as soon as possible.
What are you hiding away from?
Excuse me.
The prophet mentioned my name, didn't he?
Charlie, listen, you just got back and you have to
And
relax.
I am desperately in need of the name of that person who wants to take my life.
Ebuka, we have a guest, and that is your uncle. You don't want to get him worked up or into our circle before the right time.
You are deviating from the point. It has nothing to do with what I'm talking about.
We can't discuss this issue here. Neither is it the right place on the right time. Come on, Charlie. Don't you believe me? Once you get to the temple, the prophet will tell you all that you need to hear. Hey, Ebuka, it is me. It's me, Kofi. Believe me. Alright, let's discuss about your uncle you came back with and get plans for him.
You're still deviating from the point. It's all good. Like I said before, my uncle wants to join the cycle. And now he's here.
That's a good start.
But I still want to know the name of that person who wants to take my life.
Ebuka, like I said before, once you get to the temple, the prophet will tell you all that you need to hear.
I love Ghana.
Calm down, Charlie. Charlie, calm down.
I love Ghana.
Charlie, calm down, Charlie.
You have been refilled to live as long as the Almighty wishes.
Thank you very much, Prophet of the Almighty. May the Almighty be praised.
Servant of the Almighty, are you ready for the unveiling?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, Mama Ruma Muma. Oh, Mama Ruma Muma. Chakraborty lekwe saha. Chakraborty lekwe saha. Behold he that made an attempt at the life of the servant of the Almighty.
That's my uncle.
He wants you dead.
I knew he never liked me. But wanting me dead, I don't understand.
We don't have to understand everything that happens around us. But there's a rule in this temple. And that rule states that whoever does what your uncle has done must die. I must die by the hand of the servant involved.
Prophet of the Almighty, please. I can't kill my uncle. Don't we have other alternative?
The alternative is to reverse the effect of what he has done. And that means you have to give your life in his stead.
Sorry, sir. I'm not that good. He can go.
Just a strike across his chest. Take it. Take it. Just a strike across his chest and it is done. He will not leave any mess around. He will fall ill for 2 nights and it is done. Go ahead and strike it. Go ahead, do it.
So, Jenny, you mean you actually stopped me here because of this nonsense?
You think this is not important?
No, I think it's madness. I mean, what is this?
Deberechi, you are very beautiful, no doubt. But you're not as classy and sophisticated like me. I know you know that, right?
Oh, this is no longer about Ebuka. It's about how your cheap harlotting has paid you off, right?
I will ignore what you just said. Rumor has it that you were with Ebuka when he came back, and you are not even denying it.
If that will make you feel good, yes, I was with Ebuka. I actually went to see him and he invited me into his bedroom. Should I go on? Do you want more details?
You've got some nerves, girl. Are you aware that Ebuka is my man?
The same rumor has it that Ebuka was your boyfriend before he lost his parents. And you threw him into the trash bin. Thereafter, you went to throw this your stupid body on him because he heard that he came back from Ghana. Is that not true? Of course it's true. Anyway, I have a lot to do in the house. So if you don't mind, excuse me.
So you have succeeded in ruining my sleep once again, huh?
Hey, another nightmare about Osondo. Oh God, what is all this? What is all this?
Come. Hey. What is it with you and Osondo? Ever since he traveled, he said that one nonsense dream or the other. Huh?
These are not dreams, oh. These are not dreams. They are nightmares. Terrible ones. Hey, Osondo.
You miss him, right? I am here, your husband. Huh? And you are there, dreaming of my brother.
Please, do not turn this into a joke.
Who told you it could pass for a joke? You are there dreaming of my brother, and you think it could pass for a joke? Okay. You know what? I'm going to sleep in the other room. You can have this room all to yourself. And dream of my brother, even my brother Osondo. All you want.
Hey, God. Osondo, I hope you're okay. What is all this? What kind of nightmare? Jesus Christ. Hey, Uchimo. Because Chineke mi hear me when I want to kill you. Hey.
Transfer of $200,000 into my account, and the consignment will be sent to you immediately. Yes. Yes. Okay. So I will be waiting before the end of the day, right?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. My brother, what's up? No, Mr. Hopkins. Listen, that's a big slap on my company's face. For real. Come on. We are bigger than this, okay? Fine, I understand the fact that you're being careful because money is involved, but trust me, we are bigger than this. Well, if you are not convinced deep down, Mr. Hopkins, you can forget about it. So many people are seeking and begging for the same offer. So you're doing the transfer now. Now you're talking. $100,000, don't forget. Good luck, Mr. Hopkins. Thank you. Thank you. Ebuka. Uncle. Ebuka, you see, if all this thing is a show, you think I've had enough. This is what I'm talking about. Mr. Hopkins just paid him $100,000. Awesome. Uncle, please let me do what I'm supposed to do before I forget. Excuse me. It was nice doing business with you. You see here, Ebuka, this is exactly the same business, the same system that destroyed me in you. The same reason why I'm here today. Uncle, what's your point? Point? When I arrived there, and you and your boys explained the whole thing to me, I said, okay. You know why? Because I said to myself, the same thing that destroyed me might as well make me a billionaire. Uncle, I can work with us. Cut this long story short. What's your point? Ebuka, you damn well know that neither you nor any of your friends is as smart as I am. I'm a computer wizard. But what I don't understand now is, what is the problem? Organism. This is exactly 1 month that I've been here in Ghana, in this house, chatting and communicating with clients, and yet, not even a dime, not $1 has been paid into my own account. Organism. Alright, Uncle. Akalaka Nina Brufu and the Chinibeya Brutu. I'm not disputing the fact that you are not a computer literate. But come on, maybe you have been communicating with the wrong people. Exactly. I believe so too. I do. But tell me, why is this so? Why? How come I've always hooked up with the people that always tells me at the first contact that I'm a fraudster? And in the end, all they do is abuse me, curse my mother, curse my life. But yet, all this while that I've been here, every day by day, just like now, all I see you guys do is to receive a lot in your accounts, one by one. I am smarter than this. I know there's something you're not telling me. Honestly. Or, Anne, did you bring your brother here to ridicule me? No, Uncle, no, far from it. You know I can't do such. Alright. This is the time I've been waiting for. Whatever that one means.
It's obvious that you are now serious to do this business. It's high time I got you inducted into this business fully.
Get me inducted.
It is time for you to dedicate your soul, body, and spirit to the Almighty.
Wait. Dedicate my soul and body. Wait a minute. You also bring God into this? You also bring God into this one? Huh? God into this one?
All that you want shall be given to you by the Almighty, because He is merciful and loves to see His servants prosper. All you need to do is to show your loyalty and give your life to Him.
To give my life to God?
Give your life and your soul to the Almighty, and He shall give to you the wealth with which to live a good life.
We did it, so do it.
Are you ready for the initiation now?
I'm ready.
Lihilaha, lihilaha, lihilaha. Lihilaha, lihilaha, lihilaha. Lihilaha, lihilaha, lihilaha. This is your covenant prayer. Say it.
I give my spirit and my soul in exchange for all the wealth and treasures of this world that you have promised, those that served you. I pledge the same spirit and soul of mine to do all that you would ask of me and remain your faithful servant for the rest of my existence here on earth.
So motu. So motu. Rise up.
You are welcome to the club.
Ibuka, what nonsense are you talking about? You are there. You heard the voice. Did you not?
Listen, there is no big deal here. All you need to do is to keep sleeping with different women. And let me tell you something. For each girl you sleep with, your lifespan increases with 1 month.
So what is this? Some kind of cultism? Is that what it is?
No. Listen, When you are submissive and loyal to the Almighty, success automatically becomes yours. I call it power of attraction. You attract what you want. Whatever you say, people concur.
Can you hear yourself? What nonsense favor are you actually talking about? What concur? What am I concurring to? Concurring with my own life? Sacrifice to my own life? Can you listen to yourself?
Uncle, don't forget, you never had a life. You were desperate to be famous, rich, and successful. Come on. It's worth it, okay? It's worth it.
So, that is what it is, isn't it? Why didn't you tell me otherwise? Why didn't you tell me what I had to do to get involved? Why didn't you?
It's against our law. I can't just open up to you. It's against our rule.
So after all this, what happens to the girls? I guess their life is also wasted. Because now I have to be able to prolong my life according to the number of girls I'm able to mess around with, isn't it?
The advantage is far bigger and better than the disadvantage. Forget about what happens to the girls. Listen, focus on target. The most important thing is that you will be rich forever. The sacrifice is worth it.
Look, I'm shocked. I'm shocked at your words.
I love Ghana.
Pastor, you said we should always remember him in our prayers. And we have been doing so.
That child of God is gone far. I mean, he's gone far away from God.
Is that a vision?
The Lord is showing me a whole lot about him right now. Rimakari brahandelebo. Mazegederi brayandaya.
But I'm unable to grasp any. All I know is he needs our prayers.
Brother Sondu was a devoted member. Why are all these things happening?
When a body is empty, it is either occupied by the Holy Spirit of God or by the evil spirit. Like I said, that young man Osondu turned his back. He turned his back away from God.
You said his phone has been switched off. If we cannot reach him, how then can we help him?
Osondu needs to pray for the presence of God in his life. And no one can do that for him except him. All we need to do is pray that he takes that initiative now before it becomes too late.
Hey, I love Ghana. Oh, okay. Okay now. Let's make welcome to the newest, freshest, and hottest multi-millionaire in town.
Welcome, my brother. Welcome.
In fact, let me pump this one. Others, it is not easy. Let me pump this one. That's it.
That's what's up. I love Ghana. But I don't know so, yeah, what I love Ghana. But I don't know
Osondo, you don't look peace. What's wrong?
The girls. I mean, what happens to the girls? We sleep with the girls every day and often and on. At the end of the day, what happens to the girls? I've made money. I'm okay. What happens to the girls?
Osondo, what would you prefer? Tell me, die for them? Please let me tell you. Don't you just forget about what happened to those girls and enjoy your wealth.
It's easy though. Not for me.
Osondo, maybe you'll be consoled by the fact that they will enjoy the money we waste on them for a while before their lives are wasted. But at least they have good life, even if it lasts for a while. Kofi, am I not right?
You're right. You see, my problem with these new generation girls, aka Slayer Queens, Diva this, Diva that, none of them wants to chill with a poor dude. They all want flashy guy, big boy, already made. Come on. Nothing goes for nothing. So whatever they are getting, they call for it.
Yeah, because you are communicating.
Communicating.
Let's talk about girls. Yes.
It's okay.
Whatever they are getting, they call for it. Let's forget about games. And Mankakocha. Listen up, brothers. I will be hitting Nigeria in the next 2 weeks.
What? Wow. But you just came in a few months ago.
Yes, my last trip was cut short. I'm going back to Nigeria in the next 2 weeks. Are you coming with me? Okay,
One day. This is the guy when I win.
I just want more with him.
I mean,
Ashala, neto.
I have plans too. I already told him to buy a house for me in town.
Are you serious?
I never thought about that. Buying a house in Nigeria. Maybe it's because I will never get married. Ebuka, your own case is different. You live in your father's house, and I live in my brother's house. So, you have your father's house?
So, you mean we should wait till your house is ready before we can travel down to Nigeria?
Well, it would be nice if we can travel together. I believe so too.
So when are we looking at?
Once my house is ready, then we'll move. And that will, give you the opportunity to actually attend my uncle's burial at the same time, because it's close.
Right, it's all good. I will be there.
I'm with you. So that's it. So, what do you think about picking up a chieftain's title?
That's not a bad idea. I'm fully in support of you.
Because you definitely become the youngest chief in our community. As for me, though, I'm doing the pass mark.
I love Ghana. When I mark, I got Charlie.
Oh, okay.
he has sent the money, why the delay?
Why would Osondo want to buy a house in town when we have one here?
So that's your only concern? You are not even concerned on how he managed to make that kind of money to buy a duplex?
That was my initial worry. But then, Ebuka became rich few months after he went to Ghana. I now began to assume that something really good is happening for them over there.
If that be the case, you have to contact Osaka the agent to find out if there is any duplex available for sale now.
Now that you have mentioned this, I am beginning to be worried again. I am no longer convinced that whatever is happening for them over there is legal.
I think you have Osondo's number. You have to call him and ask him that question. I need to go to the market now.
Chieftaincy coronation. Yes, chieftaincy coronation is something very, very big in Nigeria. Didn't you notice why you made the amongst them?
Obviously, I've never heard of it. What does it involve?
Spending of money, precisely.
Come on. It means you simply buy your prestige and your respect amongst the people.
Oh. Come on, guys. That's a very poor way to describe our prestigious coronation. It's way deeper than that.
Yeah. The custodian of our own tradition.
Tell us. As well. All right. Tell us. I like that.
So, basically, you pulled a storming Nigeria for this coronation, right?
Yes. And I would really appreciate it if you guys come along.
Well, I don't have anything better than I'm doing here. I can work from anywhere in the whole world. Meanwhile, let's shoot it up.
Then I'm game.
According to you guys, you say Charlie. For coming to talk with the council. Charlie, come on. Charlie. You're going to love it. Okay, but I'm behind it. It will be fun. You know, I love Ghana. And I demand Ghana culture.
Love and money, na brother and sister. Anytime you see them, they must go together. Anywhere money enter, love go follow am. If money waka, love must follow am go. I need you na money, I love you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. I need you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. I need you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money. I love you na money. I need you na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you na money.
Did you see that?
Is that... That's Debbie. Mr. Igbu's only daughter. Raving in madness. Ibuka, don't tell me my thoughts are correct. I never planned to do this. She seduced me. Come on. You're supposed to resist her. She is innocent. Fine, she's innocent, likewise every other girl we have slept with. For God's sake, we cannot bring this to our own community, our own daughters. We should take it elsewhere. How was I supposed to sustain myself during my stay? It happened the last time I came. Because let's try and take this thing outside, not within our own community. Come on, let's try. I will try. I gave her money too. I gave her good money. That ended up in madness.
They're mad people. They are Allah. People don't know my own madness is more true. People are mad.
Love go follow if money waka, love must follow
I am surprised that Fortune smiled back at you this fast. Look at you. You are just transformed. Hey. You even look better than what you used to when you were working at Enugu.
God has been faithful. And let's just say, you know, it's the handiwork of Ebuka. God has blessed me through him.
Lucas, God will bless that boy. Who would have believed that God will use that little boy to lift you up again? A boy that you usually dash money when you... I thank God for him.
Brother, is everything alright?
I am. All is alright. I am only wondering, that business in Ghana, that fills people's pockets within months. Do you mind telling me about it?
My husband, please. Allow him to rest. Allow him to rest before you start these your questions.
What are the questions here?
I'm still waiting.
Anyway, we are into internet business. It is the millennium business. That is the latest thing.
Internet business. What does that mean?
Of course you won't know. Do you know anything about internet?
Obiageli, if you will not shut up and allow me discuss with my brother, what I will do to you, you will not like it. You will not like it.
Anyway, brother, it is called utility. That is, it has come to pass. So we call it utility. Anyway, get the keys. Get the keys to the house. Let's move immediately. And always remember to DMT. If you say so. Brother.
I'm happy for you.
Thank God.
Just look at you.
Thank God for you too. Thank God for all the encouragement. God will bless all of you.
love you, na money. I need you, na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you, na money. I love you, na money. I need you, na money. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you, na money.
What was all that for? The mood and the questions.
Were you in the same room with Osondo?
What do you mean?
Were you not in the room when he said he wanted to take a chieftaincy title?
Yes. Do you have any problem with that?
Don't you know how much it cost? Eh? I was already uncomfortable with the amount of money he spent in buying that house. And now he's saying he wants to take a chieftaincy title.
Are you not happy for your brother? When he was in this village, wallowing in poverty, selling and breaking firewood, you were not happy. Now he has made money, you are not happy. Okay. I'm suspecting you.
Whatever is giving him that money is not right.
You and I know nothing about internet business. So there is no way we will know if it is right or wrong.
So, are you buying that internet nonsense?
Yes! And you have to do the same. After all this nightmare, he's back safely. You have to be happy for your brother's success.
Huh? No.
Good. Cool. So, Ebuka, your brother has really got a good taste.
Yeah. This is what I call sexy castle. Thank you. Let me tell you what you don't know. It's not all about taste. Because taste without money is living in bondage. Charlie, see, I call this paradise because it is warm.
I mean, you know, how much would this mansion, I call it, how much it cost?
300 million only. Are you serious? Only.
$100 million or euros.
Come on. Yeah, Nigeria. 300 million naira.
Oh. Pardon me, I forgot we're in Nigeria. My brains are so stuffed to dollars and euros,
I know. This is a sexy castle. I love this. I know.
So, Ebuka, what have you arranged for? I hope you've arranged because, as far as we're here, we need to keep body and soul together.
Yes. Are you talking about girls? No, don't worry. I spoke to one of my guys. He's already arranging babes for us.
Oh, Charlie, you mean he will or he has arranged because, I need to...
You know what I mean?
It's as good as done. Trust me. I won't let you die in my country. Chicks are involved. I love Ghana so much. That's great.
Charlie, what about the coronation?
Well, everything is still intact, okay? But I know my elder brother is not supportive. But either way, the coronation must take place.
Okay. That's okay.
I love Ghana. Man, let
me meet you. I love Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian, I'm not Nigerian. You don't know him. I'm not Nigerian.
Although you. Also,
I'm a Ghanaian.
Although you.
Okay, whatever. Good. Take us around.
Our brother. No be lie, money rules the world. It may sound crazy, it may sound.
Sugar!
What
where you left your brother's coronation.
What do you mean the way I left?
The way you left before every other person. What do you think people will say about you?
I am too sure that the so-called people were too busy fighting over the naira note that was being poured on them than to notice the movement of an ordinary man called Oko.
I'm surprised. I don't understand why you envy your brother. Your own brother.
Until your eyes are opened to the real cause of my worries and unhappiness, I will not have this discussion about Osondo with you again.
Look at you. Look at you. I pity for you. Look at you drinking garri.
Why won't I drink garri? When I left that place to the house thinking there was food in the house, all I got was garri. Why won't I drink it?
Why will I prepare food when I know fully well that we are going to have enough food in that coronation? Why will I prepare food? Someone you practically trained in school. Now that it's time for you to reap the fruit of your labor. You are...
Huh? Obiageri, please allow me have this my garri in peace. Please. I'm sure you are walking straight to the kitchen to prepare dinner.
What? What? Jenny, you just said what?
Yes, I don't understand why you're looking at me that way. Have I said anything wrong?
Jenny, have you lost your prestige?
Well, what girl with our kind of lifestyle still has any prestige left?
I do. I have mine intact. So much intact. I mean, I can't stoop myself that low to throw myself on a man who doesn't want me. I can't.
Kate, please grow up. You were there at the coronation. You heard the announcement. The after party is the big deal. It is for girls like us. It is an opportunity for us to meet these money bags. Money bags.
Money bags. Did I hear you say money bags or money bag? Jenny, you and I know that you're going for that party because of Ebuka.
Well, I'll be with Ebuka. Then you can choose from any of his friends that came back with him from Ghana.
I don't want any of them. You can have them all.
What is wrong with you? Do you want to be a dummy forever? Do you want to miss this golden opportunity? Do you want to hustle all your life? Do you know that if you come for this party now, you can meet someone, you may meet someone that will change your life for good. Change your life for good. You'll be eating money.
Jenny, am I complaining? You can have them all. Have them all. In fact, they should take care of you. Even the one that wants to take care of me. Take. I dash you. I am not comfortable with those guys. I am not going.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Grow up!
You grow up too. Excuse me.
What is wrong with this girl? Why do I even put up with this girl? She's a dummy, so myopic.
Charlie, look, I love Nigerian girls. You must have beautiful.
What's that in Go, then you must be Friska. Come on,
oh, jollof rice. Jollof rice and Nigerian revolution.
Baby.
Really?
What have I done that is so bad that you're treating me this way?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Make me understand, Ebuka, please.
Listen, Jenny.
He calls me Jenny. You know how that name, coming from your mouth, how it melts my heart. How it brings back memories of what we shared in the past.
Listen, I have forgiven you and I have absolutely nothing against you.
Then why are you avoiding me?
I'm avoiding you for your own good. Listen, like I said before, you won't understand. But for your own good, stay away from me. Not only me, even my friends. For your own good.
Mrs. Shirley, I cannot go lower than $50,000. My company is giving you the best that you can get around the globe. Yes, I'm here, Mrs. Shirley. Just pay in the money and then we deliver. Simple.
This is Network News. An alarm was raised by a girl who believed her friend suffered from a strange sickness before passing away, that she slept with some Ghana guys who came into town. She was able to gather some angry youths before the police and the management of the hotels arrived where the guys were lodged. The man and his friends already left their room before the angry mob arrived. This was followed by the confession of some people that ever since the money banks arrived from Ghana, that strange things has been happening to the girls in town, sicknesses, madness and death. I, Esther Okoro, reporting from Network News.
I warned them to stay away from Jenny.
But who on earth could have done this? Like they kill them like animals?
men from Ghana gave me names. More specific than that. You guys are Nigerian, I'm a Ghanaian, and I'm not safe here.
Wait a minute. What is happening? I mean, why the sudden panic? Why were they even killed like common criminals?
Osondu, this is not the right place for those questions.
This is the freaking right time to ask these dumb questions.
Then pack your things and let's move for Ghana. The prophet is the right person to answer those questions, not me.
Did you say the prophet?
Yes, you heard me.
Did you just say the prophet?
Charlie.
Listen, what sort of life are we even living? Huh? Our friends were murdered in cold blood like common criminals. We can't even marry. We can't even raise our own families. All we do is sleep with different girls and useless their lives. In the end, we die like common criminals. No, this is highly unacceptable.
And of course, we all die like chickens.
You have no right to question the prophet of the Almighty. I'll see you guys in Ghana.
Hey, listen. Do you know what? All of a sudden, all these things are useless. Vanity upon vanity upon vanity upon vanity.
Osondu!
Listen! Now, listen to me. To hell with your blood money. To hell with your so-called prophet. Did you call him Almighty? Almighty my foot. Listen, I quit. No more blood money for me. I don't need that money.
Osondu!
Don't Osondu him.
Charlie.
Breaking news. I quit. Yes, I quit. I can't keep sleeping with different girls all in the name of making more money. In the end, I will die like a common criminal. I can't get married. I can't raise my own family. No! I love Ghana, man. Charlie.
I will see you guys in Ghana. Ingrate!
Ingrate! Ghana,
Why would you do this? That man needs Jesus Christ. I mean, he needs to be saved. And if I don't move now, as the Spirit of God is directing me to, Brother Sunday might be wasted forever.
Why are you so concerned about Brother Osondo? Someone you already said gave up on God. Yes, I know. I know he was once a full member of this congregation. A faithful one for that matter. But, I mean, why would you want to go through the stress and pains of searching for him? Where do you even begin from? Where?
It might interest you to know that I know Brother Osondo's full names. I even know his own town. How does it sound? Knowing where to begin.
This is mean. Very mean. He is your brother, remember?
How will I forget that? When all you have done throughout these weeks remind me of that.
Stopping me from going to his house is wickedness. If you don't want his money, I need it. I need it.
Until you cease to be my wife.
Even with the way those men died, you are not even bothered if your brother is okay or not. Ah, this is wickedness.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. We are asking of Ikpama's family and we are directed to this compound. You are welcome. Thank you.
Who are you? And what do you want?
God bless you, sir. I am Pastor Helen.
And Sister Lucy.
Yes, I am Brother Osondo's pastor from Enugu.
Hi. You're welcome, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you.
Osondo has a pastor?
Hey,
Yes.
that is beautiful.
I am relieved to hear that.
Yes. As a matter of fact, sir, he was worshiping with us when he was still in Enugu.
Oh, when his life was still together. Well, I'm his brother.
But unfortunately, he does not live here with me.
Please, sir, where can we locate him? It's very important and urgent. Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. You have to go back out there and ask those that directed you here to take you to his house or mansion. Yes, mansion is the right word.
But you heard her. She said very important and urgent.
Yes. Very, very important. Please.
Sir, it's a matter of life and death. Yes.
Yes.
Father, you disappointed the devices of the crafty so that their hand will not perform their enterprises. You said you healed, you stretched out your hands, and your hands healed every disease. Father, by your authority in the name of God, I come against every power that's operating in this life that is not of God. In the name of Jesus, I come against you in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Brother Osondo, the Lord is revealing to me that you are the architect of your problem. And until you right the wrong, you will not be saved. The Lord is saying you were led astray the moment you rejected Christ.
God rejected me first. He turned his back at me. He allowed my wife and my children to die. He allowed my job to go. I was faithful to God, but he was not to me.
Brother Osondo, God's ways are not ours.
Yes.
And no man can question his ways.
No one.
And listen, God does not bring misfortune to his people, but he allows them for a purpose.
Yes.
That is wickedness. God must be very, very, very wicked to allow the innocent to suffer.
The same thoughts that made you lose your touch with Jesus Christ and allow the devil to take hold of your soul. Brother Osondo, why not rebuke the devil? Rebuke the devil now, accept Jesus Christ into your life back as your personal Lord and Savior. Accept him back.
Pastor, please, is there no way you can pray for him to be healed? Look at my brother-in-law, he's already paralyzed.
He used the same mouth to reject Jesus Christ. And you should accept him back into his life through the same medium.
Yes.
Okay. God, I am sorry to have spoken against you. Please, I accept you back into my life. I do not deserve to live again, for I have done so much evil. Please, forgive me and accept my soul so that I can die in peace.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Thank you, Lord.
Lord, thank you. I worship you, Lord. Thank you for accepting him back. Oh, there is nothing impossible. You said there is nothing impossible.
They deserve what they are getting. No one speaks against the prophet of the Almighty.
Mighty prophet, please, they were pushed. It's not their fault, mighty prophet. Please forgive them. Please.
no one comes in here, takes the sacred oath of the Almighty, and turns his back on him, it is not done.
Okay, my great one. Can't you use your power to invite them down from Nigeria? Yeah, and when they get to Ghana, we will sort out this problem amicably.
I have control over their souls, but not their bodies and spirits. So the torment is the only way I can alter to come back.
Great one, how can they come back? How can they come back when their bodies are weak as you have made them?
The mere thought of coming back to me is enough to heal them. We will take that message back to them. But the more they resist, the more I continue to torment them. And when their bodies are too weak for their spirits, I will proceed finally to kill their spirits.
Great one. I can't take that message to Nigeria. I can't. Not that you can even protect me. I can't go back to Nigeria and get killed. Yes, I can't go to Nigeria and get killed.
He does not deserve to die. That boy led you astray in the first place. Brother, Ebuka did not force me to do anything. It was my decision. I mean, the boy lost everything, including his parents. He was practically pushed into doing what he did. No one in his kind of predicament was pushed to doing evil to survive. It was just all about choices.
And patience. Who knows if he had been patient with the firewood business he had been doing in this village. Maybe this wouldn't have gotten to this extent. Fine.
I agree with legitimate choices. But most of us were not guided to make the right choices. But that's true. Surprises. Do you know her? My boss at Enugu.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have trusted you. I should have known that you spoke the truth. Please. I'm sorry.
Ruth, what is this about? I mean, what are you doing here? How did you locate here?
I've been searching for the past month. The company wants you back.
Wants me back?
I don't know how it happened. A certain man came by the office 2 months ago. He said a lot of things. And one of them was that he defrauded you of 50 million naira. And for no reason, his conscience could not allow him to rest. He decided to return the money.
Hey, that can only be God.
It can only happen in the movies. I mean, a man did that. He came back to your office with all the money. 50 million. Brother, this is a piece of good news.
What good news, oh?
And I thank God it happened. And of course,
Thank you for bringing the news.
Sorry, John. Come back. Let's come back.
Thank the company for me, but I am not returning. I am no. Okay, I'm sure there's a legitimate company out there that will need my services. I'm done with that company. Thank you.
It's not only the company that wants you back. I have missed you, and I want you back too. Look, I know this might sound somehow, but I loved you. And yes, I have always loved you. Please don't say no to me, please. That company belongs to you and I. Please go back. Please go back and run the company, please. Please. I miss you.
Love